What's up everyone, this is Crown Jeep, Dodge, and Ram in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4xe Rubicon. This car comes in a hydro blue pearl coat and black cloth inside. It only has 3,730 miles on it and a 2.0 liter i4 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a one-clean Carfax and it's equipped with a lot of cool things such as remote keyless entry, plug-in hybrid 4x4, black 3-piece hardtop, adaptive cruise control, 4 aux switches, blind spot and cross path detection, power doors and windows, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Jeep in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4xe Rubicon. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.